Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark, and in this video we're going to do a full candy cane nail using transfer foil and glitter. So we're going to do a full cover of transfer foil straight onto the acrylic. Oh, a bit much. Make sure it covers the whole extension. Pop it in the lamp full cure. Take some acetone on a cotton pad, give that a wipe over. Give it a couple of seconds.
Testing the foil hat.
Oh, still nerve-wracking. It's gonna work.
This is really putting it to the test, isn't it? This
For
hat.
a full nail.
It's always near the cuticle bit I find harder.
I know, use your nails to get in.
Go on.
I know people use silicone tools, but I just think you've got more control if you just use your own fingers. Hey, you can fill it in with.
I think it was alright, that.
Much better, isn't it? But we are going to put the white over the top, so as long as you've got the majority covered, which it is. Now,
I tell you what, that's
it's next
good,
level,
that.
isn't it?
Considering, yeah.
Then we'll put some white on our palette.
I can't draw well that way.
Purposely did it this way because there's a tiny bit that didn't cover there, so we'll use it to hide it. Also works brilliant with red chrome powder as a base, but we thought we'd put our hack to the test again, didn't we? I love that red in between, it looks so good, doesn't it? I mean, how many of these do you get asked for at Christmas? About 1 million candy canes.
Do you like candy canes?
Like to eat them?
No, I don't think anyone actually eats candy canes, do they?
Oh, that's
No.
good, isn't it?
Then we're going to take, oh, I don't know what this is, Jade can do it, put the description underneath, can't she?
Yeah.
We're just going to sprinkle that over the top. Okay with that. Dust off that excess glitter. Then we'll pop a top coat over the top. You can top coat the nail first, then put that on top of the top coat, but some people don't like the glitter to be rough, so for all those that do it this way. We'll do 2 coats of top coat on this just to make sure it's... Put the second coat on a little bit thicker just to even out the bumps. Tip your hand upside down a little bit so it levels out. Right, pop that back in. We'll use, I think, Tropical Punch on you this time. Let's make your fingers smell all different, eh? There you go.
It is like iridescent, that glitter, isn't it?
Yeah, but obviously you can use any glitter you want. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If there's any other Christmas designs you would like to see, please comment down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.